talk about the chemistry in medicine. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine as a diagnostic and treatment tool. The word medicine is often used in our country to mean the safe substance, any substance that can recover you from sickness. A medicine is often a mixture of several chemical compounds. There are few types of medicine: analgesics, antibiotics, antiseptics, and antipyretics. An antibiotic is a drug that can kill the growth of bacteria. An analgesic is used to relieve the pain. An antibiotic is a chemical substance produced by one organism that is destructive to another. And this process is called antibiosis. About 90% of antibiotics in use today are isolated from bacteria, so they are made of synthetic. The chemical industry in medicine has made significant discoveries and improvements, along with advances in technology. An example is generic drugs. These are one of the latest developments in chemistry that not many people have knowledge of. A generic medication can refer to any sort of drug, from a simple cough medicine to anti-smoking solutions or weight loss solutions. Thank you.
What is the importance of chemistry in food? It is essential, especially in the production. In agriculture production, chemical allows fertilized crops. There are also toasted protection for pesticides and accelerate the production.
While organic crops are not involved with agrochemicals, the principles of chemistry are present quality in the produce of reach us. In processed food, chemistry is essential for flavor, consistency, and duration. It is something to see behind of the packaging to release all the chemicals used in the manufacture of a product. By the lack of gravity in space is very hard on drink, because by the microgravity liquid from droplets are suspended and makes it difficult to use. For instance, to have a coffee, throw a cup. Coffee doesn't come out because in space the liquid molecules are held together without any force to break this union. A group of scientists have patented a cup of coffee for 0 gravity. After many agents concluded that in microgravity conditions, fluids usually flow when dry by a step angle due to surface tension. Thus was created a cup with a shaped corner which allowed to drink coffee or any other liquid in 0 gravity.
Hello, my name is Eduardo Santoy, and I'm going to talk about the contribution of chemistry in the warfare. A war always involves rules, but these rules have been changing over the time. These conflicts can be classified according to the form that holds by these kinds. Preventive war, started by a nation based in the fact that another nation is preparing to attack it. Civil war, that which involves the residents of the same country and there is no interference of any other nation. A holy war, promoted by religious reasons. A dirty war, in which are used actions outside any legal framework or declared. A biologic war, which uses harmful bacteria as weapons. A cold war, that is the hostility in the relationships between two or more countries without armed conflict. And finally, we have the chemical war, that uses highly damaging chemical products to damage people or reach its goals. The chemical has a great contribution in this industry, but it is not a positive application of the chemical knowledge. Some scientists have discovered some chemical compounds that have been used as dangerous weapons in different wars over the story of the humanity, and a clear example is the Second World War, when the United States detonated a nuclear bomb in Japan, ending with the conflict. Some examples of these weapons are this. We know this like the TNT. The scientific name is the trinitrotoluene. I know it's a hard name. This artifact is an explosive created with chemical compounds such as methylbenzene, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. hence the need of analyzing risks and secondary effects of this kind of substance. The sarin, this is the chemical composing. The sarin is chemical weapons created by human beings and classified as nervous agents. The nervous agents are the more toxic chemical war agents and more rapid effect that they are known. They are similar to the organophosphorus pesticides because of the acting way and the damaging effects that they produce. The sarin, aka GB, is not available in natural form in the environment. And we have the sulfur mustard, aka mustard gas, is a type of chemical agent used as chemical war weapon. These kind of agents are called vesicant because with the contact causes ampoules in skin and mucous membrane. This weapon is dichloroethylene sulfide and is not available in natural form in the environment. So, yes, the chemistry is maybe the most important science in the world, but it has some bad applications, and the warfare industry is a clear example of this situation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Katia, and I'm gonna talk about the global warming. The global warming is a natural phenomenon that is caused by accumulation of gases. One of the main accumulation of gases is carbon dioxide and methane gas. The carbon dioxide is produced when you turn on the car, the engine of the car, and the engine produces a gas that it causes carbon dioxide that goes up to the earth and gets caught in the atmosphere. The methane gas is inorganic waste of the humans that we produce. One of the possible solutions you can do for this global warming is to reduce recycle bottles and plant trees, and when you see a trash in the floor, you can pick up and throw it to the waste basket. That's a very good solution, and instead of using the car, you can use it going walking because it is good for your health and it helps to the environment, to the air pollution, to decrease air pollution. So I think we have to, it's our home, we have to take care of it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Fana, and I'm going to talk about the molecular ice cap. The molecular ice cap is closely linked with global warming, so the solution to this problem consists in reducing global warming effects. Here I have three possible solutions to this problem. One of them is, in a country way, we have to avoid deforestation. In a community way, improve education systems in order to keep and teenagers contribute to the protection of the environment. And lastly, in a personal way, we have to reduce the association of fats that liberate carbon dioxide. This problem is in our hands, so I invite you to contribute with us. Thank you.
Our conclusions are: chemistry and medicine. The chemistry is the most important factor in medicine because without it, medicine wouldn't exist, and without the medicine, people can survive.
Chemistry in food. It's not good abuse of chemical to trade food because the abuse of these products can cause serious problems.
The chemistry has a great contribution in the warfare industry and in the development of weapons, but it's a bad employment of this important science.
The global warming is one of the main causes that produce air contamination or air pollution, so we have to take care of it because our world is the only world we have.
The solution to the melting for ice caps is in our hands, so we have to work together. Join us!
Chemistry is the most important science in the world. We love chemistry!